Sadie Murphy. Come in, Langston. Langston Adams. Come in. Come in. We're calling from Mars.
We here, Judge.
You pick up the phone on Earth on Sadie Murphy. Sadie Murphy.
We went in 100% agreement, but I think
she's not here.
No, she's here.
Where is she?
Come on.
Okay, come on. Two cases we have. MTR.
Wait, did you catch that moment of confusion? Langston Adams is ready. But where's Sadie Murphy? And more importantly, what happened to that 100% agreement they supposedly had? Let me know in the comments if you think that deal is about to hold or fall apart fast.
What are we going to do? Have an agreement on this to resolve it without... Wait, I heard a thought. When I get a thought, it rings in my head.
We had an agreement, Your Honor.
Say that again?
We had an agreement.
Wait, two hads.
There was previously an agreement. However, Miss Murphy has continued to have incidents in the jail, violent ones. So we have pulled that offer.
What's the deal on that? We have Dr. Rapon's report. She ought to be okay.
Yeah, we had safety on MPRP and 10 years deferred, but it's come to light that apparently she's been having some issues in the jail. I didn't know.
It's on my watch. What is it? What issues are we talking about?
I just found out today. I didn't know about it.
Your Honor, based on the incident reports that we're able to see through Odyssey,
yeah,
I've printed some. They're very difficult to transfer into other than snipping and clipping. But we have reports, a stack of them dating back to where
when
her first incarceration in last July of 2024, since she's been in custody.
Well, I want to know what happened.
Whoa, this just escalated. The defense admits there was a deal on the table until jail behavior blew it up. And not just any behavior. We're talking about a stack of incident reports. In legal terms, this is a huge red flag. When a deferred sentence is revoked based on conduct in custody, it means the court no longer sees rehab as viable. SADA's burning through second chances fast.
Since September 18th of 24, that's when Dr. Rapon evaluated the defendant, and
I printed one from July 21st of 24, which was an information report.
From when? What's the date?
July 21st of 24. We go to December 21st of 24, December 27th of 24, as recent as March 9th of 2025, March 2nd, 2025, and February, I believe this was February the 20th of 2025.
Okay.
Incidents that include her attempting to take her own life, as recent as, I believe, yesterday. She had asked to speak to a mental health provider because she was going to harm someone, and based on the report that she was twisting ropes around her hands, had a rope in between her thighs, bites. It's concerning because of the aggressiveness and the violent tendencies, and we've been in custody for
237 days.
237 days, Your Honor, and Ms. Murphy is exhibiting continued aggression and violence and lack of respect for authority. And
okay,
I do understand that Ms. Murphy has a need for substance.
Let's take a second here. We just heard about self-harm violent outbursts and a cry for mental health support. This isn't just a criminal case. It's a mental health crisis wrapped inside a courtroom. The system is trying to balance rehabilitation with public safety. But here's the question. When someone's clearly spiraling, is prison the only path left?
Discount treatment, that was the reason for the initial request for SafeP, but the behavior exhibiting she exhibits in custody right now at a safe P unit would be totally unacceptable. It's unacceptable in our facility.
Of course.
And the danger that we're putting other
All right. Okay.
clients in.
Well, I looked at Dr. Grapon's report, which I trust, and he determines that she is competent. So the choices people make are the choices they live by. And if you make bad choices, then you're going to be punished. If you make good choices, you're rewarded. It's the way it works. It's that simple. And that works in this court as well as in the free world. And we can't have assaultive behavior anywhere, much less in the jail where we got a lot of people that the authorities have to maintain control over. The important thing that you must remember is that you're looking at a third-degree felony, and it's on my watch, and it's my decision on a motion to revoke probation. At the end of the day, it's going to be mine. And then you got this new case of another third-degree felony, and both of these are assaults. And this new case was filed. Just August 13th and of 24. So I had placed you on probation. 2 months later, you're assaulting another public servant. And obviously that is not something we're going to tolerate. Shame on you the first time. Shame on me the second.
Okay, that moment, right there, shame on you the first time. Shame on me. The second, that's not just a dramatic line. That's a judge laying down judicial philosophy, accountability, consistency, and personal responsibility. And for viewers wondering, yes, judges can and do consider prior leniency when deciding whether to revoke probation. Think she should have gotten another shot. Or was this the last straw?
And if I don't do the right thing on my watch, we'll just have a motion to revoke probation hearing. We'll set this first in just a couple of weeks.
Okay.
I mean, it's going to be the allegations. Well, we've got 6 of them, right? No, 2. Yeah, 6. And they are administrative. And then 1 is the new case here. And the court will be the arbiter on this one. And I need this put back in the file, Dr. Grapon's report. All right, y'all be ready.
Thank you,
and be prepared. So I intend to resolve this in 2 weeks in one direction or another. Okay, thanks.
Yes.
What's this?
We reached a deal in lieu of, we have a new deal now.
A what?
We got a new deal.
You said a new deal.
New deal.
That's 2 news.
Two new deals.
That's too much news.
That's tw much, huh? Yeah, we were able to work it out this morning.
A few minutes ago, there were no deal based upon her conduct. Now what?
What happened was the old deal was deferred in safe P. Now the new deal that we reached is 5 years TDCJ, which is going to be pen time. That's the new deal.
On what? Both cases?
On both cases to run concurrent. And that way we'll dispose of both cases today. And like I understand, the state is no longer going to.
So the old deal is gone. No more treatment-focused deferred sentence. The new deal, 5 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for both cases. Concurrent time means she serves them together, but it's still pen time. And this is the moment Satee Murphy stops being a probationer and becomes an inmate. Harsh may be inevitable. Tell me what you think below.